In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to borrow money from GCash. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to look for, and how to submit your GLoan request smoothly and confidently. First, open the GCash app on your phone and sign in. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that your app is updated so every screen loads correctly. If your account is fully verified, you'll have the best chance of seeing borrowing options. Eligibility and limits are determined by GCash based on your usage and profile, so don't worry if your limit looks different from someone else's. On the home screen, tap View All to expand the full list of features. This makes it easier to find every service in one place. Next, tap Borrow. This is where GCash groups its lending products. From there, select GLoan. You'll land on a page showing how much you can borrow, along with important loan details. Take a moment here. Review the available limit, interest or fees, the repayment term, and the expected monthly or bi-weekly amount. It's worth reading any fine print or sample calculations so you know what to expect. When you're ready, tap Get Started. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to borrow, as long as it's within your available limit. As you type, you may see an estimate of your repayment breakdown. Adjust the amount to a figure that fits comfortably into your budget. Next, provide the necessary details the app asks for. This might include the purpose of your loan and other relevant information tied to your profile. Enter accurate, up-to-date details and double-check for typos. Consistency helps speed up processing and reduces the chance of delays. Before moving on, review the summary, including the total amount due, the due dates, and any applicable fees. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions and that the repayment schedule works for you. Once everything looks correct, tap Get This Loan. Then, simply wait for a confirmation regarding your loan. Keep the app open for a moment while it processes your request. You'll receive a notification when the decision is ready, and if approved, the funds are typically credited straight to your GCash wallet. That's it. You opened GCash, went to View All, tapped Borrow, chose GLoan, reviewed your limit and details, clicked Get Started, entered your amount and the required information, and finalized your request by selecting Get This Loan. Always borrow responsibly and repay on time to avoid extra charges and to keep your account in good standing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel confident using GLoan on GCash.